this road I've been on, but the promise of home keeps me moving along. Long days, longer nights, the sun and the stars. Wish I may, and I just might have the dream I have inside.
So this part of the trip, we start, it's nearly right in the middle of Australia. So just north of Finke, which this map hasn't got Finke on it, but it's roughly there, and we head along to Alice Springs. So we literally nearly drive right on the old Ghan line, and in parts you can see the railway spikes, which you've got to keep dodging in case you get one through your tyres. But it's a really nice trip. So on this trip here, that's where they do the Finke Desert Race, which is very famous around the world. So here you can see the spikes, or nails, what you call them. They put the lines into the sleepers. So you've got to keep dodging these if you see them. But they'd make a nice mess of your tyre, but fortunately we got through with unscathed with no flat tyres. Getting to around 5 o'clock, we're going to turn off this rough section of road, set up camp in amongst the sheiks. You can see the markers on the trees they have for their desert race. Early morning on the road between Finke and Alice Springs. Lovely she oaks here, desert oaks. And it's not even 7 and the flies are thick as anything, and it's not cattle country. Usually they say the flies are thick in where there's stock, but here there's no stock. The odd camel. Love these desert oaks, with the wind blowing in them, making a great sound. Usually under the canopy of these desert oaks, they have all these pine needles, and that suppresses the weeds. But the old beloved buffel grass, which is a weed, which Queenslanders think it isn't, grows under the, look at that, just loves it under the shade of the desert oaks. So they'll grow nice and thick, cause a fire to come along and probably kill the desert oak. So we're not far off the road, nestled in amongst the she oaks, but you can just see us above those bushes. Lovely spot. Just blowing the flies out of my nostrils. I like these little she-oaks coming up there on the left. Climbed the top of the sand hill, going for our morning walk. There we are, nestled down in the hollow there. I can hear a distant car coming. Just walk along the ridge of the sand hill. And then the ridge between the other sand hills, there's more little she-oaks. Look at this, out in the middle of nowhere. Someone had a terrific drive from the Finke golf course. Don't think they used the Finke golf course. This is out in the middle of nowhere and there's a golf ball.
You know what you got to tell your sister-in-law?
What's that?
It's a lizard egg.
A lizard egg? Oh yes, it's a lizard egg. Spinifex in flower. Oh, playing away. I had a pleasant walk here through the she-oaks. Wind in the she-oak sounds great.
Binoculars.
A lot of distant mountain ranges here, all very weathered. Really all around us. These little shrubs are interesting, only about 6 foot high, very soft foliage. Would look good with the sun through it, but then it's got too much. Still on the Finke Road, fairly windy as you can hear. A lot of she-oaks here, desert oaks. Well, after 6, we're doing a Ronnie Dale and eating nearly at dark just to dodge the flies. Got some shade in between 2 desert oaks. Sun's gone down. We can hear the flies buzzing around still. They'll disappear soon. Got a few desert oaks around here. A couple of little visitors came up to see us this morning. Just looking through the mesh of our camper. Don't know where Mum is. Maybe they haven't got a mother. Lovely white ghost gum outlined against that rocky outcrop. Small flowers coming up, very stunted. These are bush tomatoes. These plants here, and if I can zoom in on it, you can see the tomatoes. Quite healthy looking. Just coming into Alice Springs. Just did the old Ghan road from Finke to Alice Springs.